Same two chords, but this time let's start with A. A major to E major, one bar of each. Here we go. All right, A major. 1, 2, 1, 2. Start in A. Here we go. A major. 2, 3, 3, 4. A major. 2, 3, 4. You got it. Sometimes you'll see them in this order. And the order makes a big difference. Do we start on E or do we start on A? When we start on A and move to E, it's a different sort of world. It says something, it's a bit different. Same thing applies if I put my pick down and strum with my thumb. Different tone. I'll do some eighth notes. I'll count them first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and now I'll jump in and play them. And 2 and 3 and 4 and. Remember when we added the upstroke? We didn't miss, remember? What do we get? 16th notes, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm counting 8th notes, playing 16ths. Did you see that? I snuck that in there, didn't I? Sometimes I play it like that. I forgot. I didn't even know. I remembered just now. Sometimes that happens because it's convenient. It's right there.